Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video we're going to see how to crochet this cute little pumpkin earrings, perfect for fall season. And the pattern is very simple and easy. You can make this in few minutes and readily use it. Since we are double stranding it, we need not block this earrings. The written pattern of this cute pumpkin earrings is available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. The link is available in the description box. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. For this I'll be using anchor pearl cotton crochet thread in 3 colors for the pumpkin and the stem, and we will need earring hooks or fish hooks and jewelry rings, and we need scissors, and I'll be using 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. So for the pumpkin I'm going to 2 strand the dark yellow and orange crochet threads, and I'll be working a magic ring and then work a chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet, and then go ahead work 11 more double crochets on the magic ring. Work 11 more double crochets on the magic ring. So now once you've worked 11 more double crochets on the magic ring, go ahead, tighten the magic ring and work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3, and then you can tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. So now for round 2, which will be our last round, I'm going to work a chain 1, and then in the next stitch I'm going to work 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet. On the same stitch I'm going to work 1 half double crochet, and in the next 3 stitches I'm going to work 2 double crochet each on next 3 stitches. So go ahead, work 2 double crochet each on next 3 stitches. And then once that is done, on the next stitch I'm going to work 1 half double crochet, and in the same stitch I'm going to work 1 single crochet, and then in the next stitch I'm going to work 1 slip stitch, and once that is done, on the next stitch I'm going to work 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet. We're going to replicate the same thing that we have done on the other side. So in the same stitch I'm working 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet, and now in the next 3 stitches we are going to work 2 double crochet each on next 3 stitches. So go ahead, work 2 double crochet each on next 3 stitches. So once that is done, on the last stitch we are going to work 1 half double crochet, and in the same stitch work 1 single crochet, and then work 1 slip stitch on top of starting chain 1, and then you can fasten off. Now before finishing that, attach your brown thread. Make sure you double strand it before attaching it. And then now work 4 chains. And now once that is done, work 1 slip stitch on the second chain from the hook, and then work 1 slip stitch each on the next 2 chains, and then work a slip stitch, fasten off, and then weave your ends. So now we have worked a stem, we have fastened off, and it's time for us to weave all these ends. So go ahead, weave all the ends. So since we have worked double stranded, it's not necessary for us to stiffen this. If you need to stiffen it, you can just stiffen it like we do in all our videos. Work with 1 part of glue and 1 part of water, and then dip in that, air dry it for a day or so. And now you're going to attach your jewelry ring sidewise like we do. And then tighten your jewelry ring. So now you can attach your earring hook or fish hook, and then tighten it. That's it, our cute little pumpkin earrings is now ready. You'll need to make 1 more of these earrings for a pair of earrings. It's perfect for fall season, and since we need not block it, it's very easy to quickly make and readily use it. The written pattern of this cute little pumpkin earrings is available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. I have updated the link in the description box. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.